You're out with your friends enjoying the weather and bam, your sandal strap comes undone. Not only are you embarrassed, but the money you just spent on a pair of leather sandals is shot. You then have to go and spend more money to buy a cheap pair of shoes while you're out. Sound familiar? Quality leather sandals aren't cheap, especially from Birkenstock, but don't throw them away because today we're going to fix this strap and remove any unsightly scuffs so that they'll last for years to come. Hey guys, my name's Evan and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. This method will work for most sandals out there, so let me show you exactly how we're going to fix it. Let's get to it. First things first, in order to get our sandals to create a strong bond, we want to remove any of the old excess glue. We want to make sure that there's some texture for the new glue to adhere onto. So that means we want to get the glue off the leather strap as well as from inside the hole. Next, we need a trusted glue. I'll be using Gorilla Glue today, but I'd also recommend E6000 or any shoe glue. You don't want to use super glue or leather glue because you need something flexible. Super glue will crack and leather glue won't be strong enough for this job. Alright guys, once we apply the glue, we want to spread it around as thoroughly as possible, and the key tip here is to use more glue rather than less glue. We want it to be anchored down securely, so don't be shy, because any excess glue can easily be wiped away before it dries. I'm specifically using some tweezers to hold onto the leather strap to really force it down into the hole as much as possible. See how it's pushing up the glue? This is exactly what we want. That way we know it is covered all around. And once it's fully secured, go ahead and wipe away any of that excess glue and let it dry according to the instructions of your particular product. And as you guys can see here, I'm pulling pretty hard, so it did a pretty good job after curing. Let me know if it worked out for you guys as well. Once everything is done and dry, let's go ahead and care for our leather. We'll use a cleaner and conditioner combo for one easy cleaning, which will reset the leather and remove the surface scuffs and marks. I'm using a soft horsehair bristle dauber brush to gently massage the leather, which you will find links in the description, or feel free to check out my full list at kit.co/avummies. Now, if you guys are getting value so far, would you please hit that thumbs up button real quick and feel free to subscribe for more helpful leather care like this. Thanks. Now, you do not want to soak your leather, but for this specific job using nubuck leather, I just let the cleaner sit on the leather without wiping it off because I barely use any cleaner. This is going to allow the conditioner to sit in. But for smooth leathers, you will probably want to wipe off any excess as possible. Last step here is to conserve our leather, and a great way to do this is to get some stuffing. Doesn't necessarily matter what it is. I'll be using some packing bubbles, but you can use newspaper or plastic bags to form whatever shape your sandals are in. What matters is keeping it in the original shape. This is going to prevent the leather from creasing and loosening over time. Let me know your guys' thoughts on how it turned out. This job was super quick and simple, and I hope that you guys got some value in today's video. Listen, I am on a mission to help as many people love their leather, so would you do me a favor and help me grow the channel? It is completely free. Simply like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with a friend. It would mean the world to me, so thank you. Now, maybe your strap didn't come out, but your leather is faded and discolored. Check out these videos next.